This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the physical basics, then act fast. Choose the correct input and output device in Discord, set the mic level to a healthy range, and check the OS sample rate. Set to 48000 HC. Once done, disable exclusive mode so other apps don't hijack audio. Update or reinstall USB and audio drivers, and plug the microphone directly into a main port, not a random hub. These steps remove most hardware and permission causes of bad sound, and they prepare you for deeper fixes. Now tune Discord's internal processing so audio is clear. Open voice and video, toggle noise suppression and echo cancellation, and try disabling automatic gain control because it can pump or squash audio. Next, choose between voice activity and push-to-talk. If you pick voice activity, manually drag sensitivity so it only triggers on your voice. While testing, make sure the channel bitrate is appropriate. Higher bitrate helps music and clarity. Also close apps that might grab the mic or apply effects, because conflicts often create distortion. Finish by verifying results. Run a loopback or record sample and listen for clipping, hiss, or dropouts. Compare using another phone or PC to isolate the problem. If issues remain, clear Discord cache, reset voice settings to defaults, and reinstall the app or try the web client. Once done, test again. If nothing improves, switch mics or accounts to pinpoint whether hardware, account, or network is failing. If that still fails, try a different USB port or temporary network to diagnose the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.